Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Zero DTCs here. So video today is about this engine here. So this engine is the 1.3 dig/T. So for those who don't know, dig/T means direct injection gasoline, and T obviously is because the engine has a turbocharger fitted on it. Now this engine can be found on a few makes and models. So more specifically, Nissan Renault Dacia, Mercedes Class A, I think it is. Some of the X-Trails, the new Townstar, the little van. You can also find this engine on one of those vehicles. Now, if you own one of these engines, stay tuned because we're gonna talk about a few things that can go wrong with this engine and why. After a certain amount of miles, it literally becomes a ticking time bomb. We're gonna be specifically talking about the Nissan Qashqai, the J11, and they do have a common issue. If you ignore this, obviously it's entirely up to you. My mission here is just to put the information out there, which is completely free. But I did learn through the years and with experience, and sooner or later, this issue will happen to you. So the question is, do you want to be the one with the 4 or 5 grand bill and with a blow up engine that it's only good to go in the bin? Or do you want to be the clever one, which it's already one step ahead? The only thing that you need to do is watch this video until the end, because I'm gonna tell you everything that you need to do, how to prevent and how to be aware of this issue before it happens. So you're probably gonna thank me when we get to the end of this video. Or you can always choose to ignore everything that I've said so far, but just be aware, this is what it comes next.
Yep.
Now, symptoms. You need to be vigilant because there is not many symptoms when this issue occur. So the first one that usually happens is when it's cold, like a slight misfire, only when it's cold and then goes away. The second one, and this one, it doesn't happen very often, only when it's really bad and when the engine is really hot. A little bit of steam on the engine and gearbox area, so in between that area there. And then a very important one is the heating stops working, so the HVAC, so the system cannot produce any heat. So the reason for that is obviously because the coolant system is already empty. But do not wait for warnings on the dashboard. This is the main reason why people are getting caught with this issue. And the worst case scenario is, believe it or not, is replace the engine. Now, I do agree. The system is probably not the best. The software should be a bit more sensitive and bring warnings on the dashboard a little bit more sooner, before you actually need to replace the engine, or just a simple level sensor on the coolant reservoir. It should be good enough. Now we're going to reveal the component that makes this engine become ticking time bomb, and it's literally a silent killer. So the component is this bad boy here. This is the thermostat housing, and once again, if your car has 30 and 35,000 miles, you have to replace this component now. So it fails on this joint here, so it literally cracks, and obviously all the coolant goes on the floor or whatever, drains, and then you in some of the cases you end up driving the car without coolant for, I don't know, 2 weeks, 1 week, maybe more. Trouble is, and again, software is not sensitive enough, so you will not have any warnings on the dashboard until it's too late. Now, I've been told that this component was upgraded. Feel free to comment down below. I don't know if they've changed the actual plastic for a different one. It's still plastic, so this is a genuine component, and all the others that I've seen, they looked exactly the same. So again, comment down below if you know more information about this. If there is an actually upgrade on the actual thermostat housing, or if it's exactly the same. It looks exactly the same to me. The question is if it's gonna break again within that sort of mileage range, and when it does, it's too late. So my advice is have a little look. If you do have one of these engines, have a little look, open the hood, have a little look there. If your coolant level is still okay, you're still safe, and order yourself one of these soon as possible, and um, get rid of the old one and replace for a new one, a new genuine thermostat housing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.